It doesn't matter how much traffic your website gets if visitors aren't taking action. Tracking how many people complete key actions is the best way to know if your site is actually doing its job. In today's video, I'll show you how to track one of the most important things visitors can do on your small business website. Filling out a form like a contact form or a request a quote form or a booking form. To set this up, open your Google Analytics account and navigate to the left-hand side menu. Click on Admin, then from the submenu, select Data Display and choose the Events option. Next, click the Create Event button and in the following window, click Create. Give your event a meaningful name for easy identification in your reports. For example, if you want to track how many people fill out your Contact Us form, name the event something like contact_form_submission. Use all lowercase letters and underscores with no spaces. In the next field, set the parameter to event_name and ensure the operator is set to equals, which is the default. In the value field, type page_view. Now, click Add Condition. In the parameter field, type page_location, all in lowercase. It should auto-suggest. Under Operator, select Contains, and in the value field, enter the portion of the URL that corresponds to your thank you page, which is the page users see after submitting the form. For example, if the thank you page URL is www.mywebsite.com/thank-you, you only need to input thank-you. Ensure the parameter configuration is checked, then click Create and close the window. You're done. To verify your setup, open a new incognito window and log in to your Google Analytics account. Visit your website and fill out the contact form. Next, go to the real-time report in Google Analytics. After a few seconds, you should see your newly created contact form event under the event count card. Let's take this a step further to really get the most out of it. Head back to the admin section of Google Analytics. From the left-hand side menu, then choose Key Events. Click the New Key Event button and in the New Event Name field, enter the exact name of the event you just created. For me, it's contact_form_submission. It should be activated automatically. Now, go to one of the detailed reports like Pages and Screen. Scroll down to the main table, find the Key Events column and click the drop-down arrow. You should see your contact form submission event listed there. Click on it. This will show you how many times visitors filled out a form after landing on one of your pages, which is super useful for identifying which pages convert the most visitors into leads. Just keep in mind that it might take 24 to 48 hours for conversions to show up in your reports. Tracking visitor activity, especially conversions, is key if you want to make smarter marketing decisions and focus on what really matters, especially for small businesses. If you're ready to dig deeper and learn how to track what's happening on your Google Business profile, you won't want to miss the next video.